Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be making a recipe out of best loved casseroles. I'll be making the pizza chicken bake. Hopefully mine looks like that. So what all goes into the pizza chicken bake? 3.5 cups uncooked bow tie pasta, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 1 jar 26 ounces of herb-flavored spaghetti sauce. I have roasted garlic and herb, but it's only 24 ounces. 1 teaspoon pizza seasoning blend. I couldn't find any, so I'm just going to be using Italian seasoning. 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, about 3/4 of a pound, quartered. 1 cup, 4 ounces shredded mozzarella cheese. And since this is a pizza chicken bake, I'm going to add some sliced pepperoni. That's not in the ingredients. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is cook the pasta according to package directions. Preheat oven to 350. Heat your oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Take a 2-quart casserole dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Once your oil is hot, add your mushrooms and cook them for 2 minutes. Remove your mushrooms. Then add your 26 ounces of herb-flavored spaghetti sauce and your 1 teaspoon of pizza seasoning blend. I have Italian seasoning. And mix that until it's heated through and well combined. After your bow tie pasta is done, put it in your 2-quart casserole dish. Then take half of your spaghetti sauce and put it over the noodles. And mix your noodles and the spaghetti sauce together till it's all covered. And then I'm going to add, and this is not in the instructions, I'm going to add pepperoni, make it more pizza-like. You have pizza stuff, you gotta have pepperoni, right? So that is 12 slices of pepperoni. You can add more if you'd like. And then I'm going to add the cooked mushrooms. You can have it mixed in with the sauce if you want, but since these are a little bit bigger mushrooms, I decided just to do it like this. And actually, the instructions didn't say what you're supposed to do after you removed them from the heat. Then add your 3 chicken breasts quartered. And these are big chicken breasts, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get all of them on there. Then take the second half of the spaghetti sauce and put it over the chicken. And then kind of spread that over. And I'm going to kind of push the chicken down a little bit because we have to cover it up. We need to cover it. I don't have a lid for this, so I will use foil. Put it in a 350-degree oven for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, I'm going to check and make sure the chicken is at 165. And it is not, so we'll put it back in the oven and cook it until the chicken is 165. So then take your 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and put it on top of the chicken. And then cover it for 5 minutes. Here is the pizza chicken bake, and rounding out the meal is 5-cheese Texas toast. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, it's time to turn off the water.
Do you want to go do that?
I just did.
Oh,
I just forgot. I don't know what I'm doing. I have a knife, so it's... Oh, that's chicken?
that is chicken.
This is interesting looking.
That is pizza chicken bake.
Very, very different looking. It tastes good. I get the blast from the pizza sauce. I guess using blast is kind of a strong word. It's not in your face, but it's a interesting flavor with the chicken.
It's got pepperoni and mushrooms and
Yeah,
stuff in it too.
I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.